In front of me is Realme 16 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. It's really easy. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll a tiny bit to hit display and brightness section. In it, after you scroll down again, you can tap on this section called Screen Refresh Rate. Now, to apply any of those options, tap on the chosen one. Auto Select, Standard, or High. When you finished, just go back and your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!